Good afternoon, guys. I have already had quite the eventful day. I'm sorry I forgot my phone. So first, I went to go shopping, get some cigarettes for Moss, and then I met Vilas on the way there on the bicycle, and we ended up going for a ride in the forest. Me on the wheel, him on the bike. And he was so inspired after the trip. He was like, dude, I need to get myself an electric unicycle. Keep an eye out for him secondhand. Like, I need this. And I'm like, dude, if you get one, like, I'll help you look for him secondhand. You know, I'll help you train and all that stuff. That's quite exciting, getting someone onto an electric unicycle. Then I went to do some shopping. Yes, I'd already gotten some meat and some Tex-Mex, and I went to the supermarket to get some stuff for tacos, soft shell tacos. Oh yeah, this was returned to me as well, my saw from the other day. Oh yeah, and also I forgot to show you guys, Jewel actually fixed my elbow protectors. You remember how I'd stitched this myself and it just kind of didn't work, like it was falling apart? Well, she fixed it for me professionally. So no, oh yeah. And I talked to the government, about welfare and address, and it's always an issue moving from one county to another. But it seems like everything's gonna work out. I'm not quite sure yet. If I'm unlucky, I may only end up getting paid half this month. But hey, then at least next month I'm gonna get the full money, right? I'm gonna have some rolled oats with sugar and milk. Some tea. This tea is amazing, guys. I'm telling you, it's called Nighttime by Puka. It's got chamomile, valerian, and something else. I keep forgetting the third thing, but it's amazing. I drank 3 of these yesterday. But yeah, itadakimasu. And sorry about not bringing the phone this morning. It was actually a great and beautiful trip in the forest. I've already shown you some recordings from there, but I guess maybe tomorrow or so actually tomorrow I have to drive all the way to Copenhagen on the wheel, so you'll have plenty of nature and forest to see in that video. I hope the eggs are doing good. I'm trying to keep them at 38 degrees Celsius. I hope they're not too hot. Let's see. Skal vi starte med at have dem op. Opsvejst.
Hvad var det, du fik i din kasse? Var det en god?
Kasse?
Jeg modtog din kasse i går. Den der.
Nå ja. Ja, det var bare, det var bare skruer og bunde. Ja, det tror jeg. Blive siddende. Og det kan vi opnå på mange måder. Man kunne sætte nogle få metalbeslag, der bare lige trykker det ud. I got back from another ride to the store. I forgot something for the tacos later. Alright, now I'm just heating up some spare bread we got. This is a bit like it's getting stale, so I'm just using it now with the remains of this hummus. Yes, God. It's a nice little lunch snack. I did get a little breakfast, now a little lunch, and a very fulfilling dinner later on. Just a chill day. Just been helping out, like clearing up a bit of a mess, A bunch of stuff was stored. Tobias wanted some help, so I helped him out, of course. So yeah, I've just been sorting through things, throwing things in the garbage sorting area and moving stuff around, furniture and otherwise. We're clearing up an area. It's supposed to get turned into a clay working corner, whatever you call it. Very interesting. It's going to be interesting to see it come to fruition. Guys, check it out. I'm watching the recent Lemon video and check out what I made. Hey. And that's not all. Another 2. Oh, this is gonna be quite the meal. These are packed with all kinds of stuff. I borrowed this crunchy taco topping thing that I put on there as well. There's a few of these that I had to use. Crunchy. I'm so ready for this, guys. And, oh shit. I even got some soda. Some cheap Coke. The People's Coke. It sounds very communist, but it's not.